So I'm Antonia Salmon, and I work as a ceramic sculptor in Nether Edge, and I've been opening the studio for the last 10 years with the Sheffield Open Up. And it's just a great way to meet people when I sell my work. Usually I sell my work in galleries, and what Open Up does is give me the opportunity to connect with people. Well, the inspiration is primarily nature. So I moved to Sheffield 30 years ago to be near fantastic countryside, and I go every day into the woods, up on the moors. And so all my work really is an expression of the experience of being in nature.